Filming that kid over there.
Yeah. Or maybe we could have like a day where we all like bring our materials and make it together. Don't tell anyone who this is. Where did I just like, who's Panther? I like someone on my
even secretive about it, Laura. You're just like,
Can I just like put
here we go.
Oh,
I hate that. I know that's cool. I just think it's the weirdest thing that they like line up on all the like after. I think the outside. Okay.
Successful pickup number 23.
Oh. Who's that? That's
Rachel.
I'm 13, that's who.
Sit down, my legs are cold.
I have a quarter, if you really need one.